Okay, I'm gonna walk you through how you can create a single sign-on inside AgentUI and use the single sign-on throughout all the applications. So what you're gonna do is go into profile and sections and go into single sign-on, and then enable single sign-on for login. And then you're gonna pick your provider. In my case, I'm gonna choose Okta. You're gonna enter your client ID, your client secrets, and your issuer URL. And then you're gonna have here the instructions of how you can generate this inside your application. And if you have to set a redirect, you can always this is a redirect URL that you want to give it into Okta. So once you have that done on, you want to choose if you want to automatically let new users be created with single sign-ons and the user role. Do you want them to be admin, creator, or client viewers? So admin users are going to be the administrator that have access to the billing sections. Creator are going to be the developers that are going to be creating no-code applications or no-code dashboards. And the client and viewer are going to be the ones that are going to be visualizing the applications. So once that is on, you're going to save it, you're going to test it, make sure everything is working, and you're going to save it. So then from there, you're going to go into verified emails and you're going to enter your domain, and you're going to choose how you want to verify the domain. You can choose to create a support ticket, your email at your domain so you can automatically validate, or add a DNS record, whichever you choose. You can choose to validate it. So let's say if I add a DNS record, I'm just going to click here, add, and then you're going to add this text record into your domain, and then click check to verify that it's working. And once it's working, it should work correctly. So once you have the single sign-on set up, what you want to do is head on to your application, the one you're going to choose. So let's say in my case, I want to use my Facebook dashboard that I use to analyze my data. And what I want to do is go into the admin section, scroll down all the way to where it says authentication, and then turn on single sign-on. So once you turn on single sign-on, what you want to do is basically do a role mapping where you can map the groups that you have inside your single sign-on to a specific group, to a specific role inside the application. For example, you can map it to the user or the administrator, or you can choose to map the role to the custom fields you have in the user. So you can always tell the AI to create custom fields inside the user. So for example, if you wanted to add a field named department, they can enter the department. You can always map those specific fields, going to authentication and then mapping the groups to a specific value inside AgentUI, and just clicking plus. So whenever someone logs in with SSO, it will check if it has this group and it will map it to department and test. If you have any questions, just shoot us an email to support@agentui.ai.